Hi, Livy. It's Mima. I have a book for you. I have Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Ooh, I wonder what time of year it is. What do you think? Do you think it's summer? Nope. Looks like winter. It looks like snow. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark hair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Sleeping in a cave there. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. What does a snore sound like? Can you snore? Do you snore, Livy? An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. He is one tired bear. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. He's still sleeping. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. They can't wake that bear up, can they? He is sleeping really good. A gopher and a mole tunneled up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. Do you think he's going to wake up yet? Let's see. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What's going to happen? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. Do you think he's going to be happy that they're all there? Oh no. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Oh, that's silly. Now his friends all fell asleep. And that's the end. Bye, Livy. Love you. See you someday soon.